In this video, we will understand a number is rational or irrational. So as you can see that here we have so many numbers. So we will check that which number is rational or irrational. Okay. So for this, let's understand that if a number is rational, so what are the conditions are there? And if the number is irrational, so what are the conditions in that? Okay, so now the first one is the rational. So you can see that there are some conditions if how we can check that a number is rational or irrational. As you know that what is the definition of rational number? So it's completely that if a number can be written in the form of p by q. Okay, and p and q should be integers, and q must not, that is the denominator should not be equal to 0. So that is the basic definition, we know that. But if the time it comes that you have to recognize the number is rational or irrational, so that time you face problems. Okay, there are some things that which is very important to know the why the number is irrational. Okay, so look at this first one. The first one is, let's we check the first one is the terminating. So what is terminating? Terminating means if I write the some numbers, okay, then it will be terminate. That means the number it will be terminate. Okay, so if I divide the number, so it will die. So how we will check the terminating? So you can see the denominator. If the denominator is here, you can see the denominator. If the denominator is the form of 2 ki power n, 5 ki power n, or 2 ki power n and 5 ki power m. So let's check an example. Like if I have a number is 5. Okay, if a number is 5, so you can see that we can terminate this number. Okay, so you can write it 0.2. Now there is no there is no remainder. Okay, so that means this is terminating. Okay, now the second one is non-terminating. So in rational number it can be terminating or it can be non-terminating. Okay, so now the next condition is recurring. So how we can say that what is non-terminating? If I put a number, if I put an example, that I put an example is that 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Okay, so how we will solve it? If I convert this number into the decimal form, so we will see that it will be like a 0.333 and so on. Now you can see that the number is like a repeating, and also it is not terminating. Okay, so here is we can also write it 0.3 bar, and this bar is also known as a Jane Coulomb. Okay, now this next one is recurring. Okay, the like a terminating or non-terminating and recurring. Recurring, in this example you can see that this number is repeating. Okay, so if the number is like containing these qualities, these properties, then the number is rational. Then what about the irrational? So irrational, you can see that the first one, the condition should be non-terminating. Okay, that means if you differentiate that, here is also non-terminating, but there should be recurring. But in irrational number there should be non-terminating and non-recurring. Okay, there is a difference between them. Okay, so now we will see that the example what I given here, like some numbers. Let's check which number is rational or irrational. Okay, so come to the first number. This is 1 by 2. Okay, if I convert this 1 by 2, so then it will be like a 0.5. Now it is, you can see that this is also, we can see that 1 by 2, and this has the 2 by form. So this is terminating. Terminating, there is no condition in irrational. So terminating, that means this number is a rational number. Okay, now come to the 0.5. So as we can see that 0.5, so this is terminating. There is no other number are there. Okay, so this is also rational number. Okay, now come to this number. So 3.1415, you can see that there are so many numbers are there, and also they are like a non-terminating and also non-recurring. Okay, so this is an irrational number. This is an irrational number. Now you can see this 5. This is terminating. This is the single number. Okay, so this is also terminating. So this is a rational number. Now come to this number 1.41421 and so on. Okay, so you can see that this number is non-terminating. There is no termination here, and there is no recurring. Non-terminating, terminating means end. but it doesn't have any termination, so this is also irrational number. Okay, and here come to the here, like you can see that minus 3 by 4, you this 4 we can also write this 4 into 2 form. Okay, now you can see that this is terminating, so this is also rational number. Okay, now come to this number. You can see that maybe you feel that when you see first times, you can see that yeah, the number is repeating, but no, number is not repeating. There is no pattern. Like you can see that 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1. So you can see that, so there is no termination. You can see that this is so on. So this is also non-terminating and non-recurring. So this is also irrational number. Thank you.